In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your settings for receipts in QuickBooks. This guide will simplify the process of organizing your financial documents so you can focus more on running your business and less on the tedious aspects of bookkeeping. Let's dive right in and get started on streamlining your financial workflow. First, let's head over to QuickBooks. Open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks homepage. Once you're there, ensure you're logged into your account. QuickBooks is a robust accounting tool that keeps track of your finances, so making sure everything is set up properly will save you lots of time and headaches down the line. Once logged in, the next step is to click on the Transactions tab. You'll find this option in the left-hand menu on your QuickBooks homepage. The Transactions page is your hub for managing all your financial entries. It's like the digital ledger that records every penny coming in and out of your business. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section if you haven't already. Now, under the Transactions tab, there's an option called Receipts. Click on Receipts to access where all your digital receipts are collected. This feature is a definitive step to staying organized, as digital receipts are not only convenient but also easy to keep track of. Whether you're a small business or an individual keeping track of personal finances, having receipts neatly categorized can be incredibly beneficial. Next, look for the Manage Settings option within the Receipts section and click on it. This area allows you to adjust how your receipts are handled within QuickBooks. Explore these settings at your own pace as they provide powerful customization options for tailoring the software to your specific needs. Following this, click on the Send Emails and Attachments Here option. QuickBooks allows you to forward receipts directly via email, making it even easier to maintain your billing and expense records. Clicking this will provide you with an email address to send receipts. You can add attachments directly from your email, and QuickBooks will automatically populate them into your Receipts section. This is a time-saving trick that simplifies the process of inputting physical receipts into your system. Finally, click on Who can send documents to this address. This option gives you control over who can send documents to your QuickBooks email, which is essential for maintaining security and ensuring only relevant receipts get recorded. Limiting access is a smart way to protect sensitive financial information and helps in keeping unwanted receipts or documents from cluttering your system. By following these steps, you've now efficiently managed your receipt settings in QuickBooks, setting yourself up for a smoother and more organized accounting experience. Empower yourself by keeping your financial documentation orderly and accessible. If you need further assistance, QuickBooks support is always just a click away. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay organized for a more successful business journey.